Hi everyone! So I joined a collaboration with Creating with Jovi. So thank you so much, Jovi, for inviting me. So every day this month, a new creator will be posting a new video. I'm going to leave all the wonderful ladies linked down below. There's 20 of us that are joining in. So Jovi did this printable of these gothic girls. They are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This one is actually, when you print it, it prints in color, but I like the dark creepiness, so I did my print in black and white, and I am so happy that I did. It was gorgeous in color, don't get me wrong, like the pumpkin was orange and the background and everything, but this just fits me so much the way that it came out. So I did my very first busted canvas. I've never created one before, so I just watched a quick little video on what to do, and then I kind of just made it into my own from there. So all of my little like busted points, you can see, are not all even and created the same, because I feel like if you're breaking through something, they're not gonna bust in straight perfect lines. So I just kind of like, you know, zigzag the scissors there to kind of make it look like it really broke through. And then what I did was I glued the image down to a cereal box, because you guys know I'm cheap and I use whatever I can. So I glued this image down with some Mod Podge over there, and then these little like bats coming through are actually a napkin that I had hauled previously that I said I was going to use for this project. So this is just a little napkin that I again Mod Podged down. And then I took some Dollar Tree spider webs. So I'm not sure if you can see that here. So just some little simple Walmart spider webs. And I just put that on there. So what I did was I spread out the spider web the way that I wanted. And then I just had it on the back. So you can see what's holding it together is my back panel. So I just kind of wrapped the spider web around the frame, and then I glued it down, and then that's how my spider web is holding and attached to this canvas right here. And then I went to my little local store that's for like parties, and they were selling these gorgeous purple flowers. So that's what I went and I put right here. And then if you guys remembered, I had hauled some, what were they called? Glitter glue from Hobby Lobby that I ended up showing you how you can use them as a Wink of Stella dupe. So that's what I did right here. If you can kind of see that there's like a purple shimmer on that canvas. What I did was I just put it around the edge because I didn't need it in the middle because I knew I was going to be breaking that part through. So I just did just the edge to go ahead and cover everything. And I think that my little wood cheapoo came out absolutely gorgeous. I did put a little plastic bat down in there as well, and I love how she came out. So like I said, Jovi has this printable. So here's some of the images that I printed. Again, I did them all in black and white because I just thought that they would be really pretty. Like, she was the original girl that I was going to use, but I decided to go with this little witchy poo, and I'm so happy that I did. I think it came out absolutely amazing, especially for my first time. I was so worried. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'm going to leave all the ladies linked down below so you could go watch their videos. They started on the 1st of this month. It's going to go all the way through the end of this month, so you guys can go ahead and go see what all the wonderful ladies have been creating. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and always showing love and support. And then go check out Jovi's Etsy shop, because that's where this printable is. It was a lot of pages, like probably like 16 or more pages that were in this collection that she sent to us. So there's some really great images. There was this black cat that I thought about using as well for my main image, but this little witchy poo just kind of spoke to me that I was like, okay, I'm going to definitely use her. It's just beautiful, just love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.